Hold on, let me put the glasses on too. I'm definitely gonna feel like a scientist now. Oh yeah. Hey, and welcome back to my channel. It's Ashley here, and if you are new, hey girl, hey. Make sure you click on that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll always be up to date with my latest tutorials. Okay, so in this video today, I'm going to be spilling all the tea. Yes, all of the tea, okay? All of the tea about 10 items that you can purchase from the dollar store that are perfect for refinishing. Okay, so I have my cute little basket here, which literally needs to be updated, but that's another video. This basket, and it has all of the goodies inside that I'm going to be sharing with you. So let's get started. All right, so number one, the first thing are these scrub pads. Absolutely love these scrub pads. They have so many different uses, and you get 5 of them, and you have to make sure that they are these heavy duty 5 value pack, what are these? Scoring pads. They're amazing. I love to use these when I'm stripping furniture, deglossing furniture, anything like that. I love to use these. Very durable, and you can get the job done. Okay, I literally love to use these. Another good thing about them is you can break these apart. So if you don't want to use the large sheet like this, you can tear it in half if you want to just use half of it, and you can save the other half. Or if you want it even smaller, you can rip it again and make it small. So I mean, it's up to you. And then like you can rip it this way, or you can just, you know, cut it and have a smaller piece so that you can work in a more detailed area. So these are perfect for that, and I absolutely love to use these, and I literally get them all the time. And if you were to go into another store with these scoring pads, I've seen some types like this. They of course cost more than $1 because you're getting 5, but at the dollar store you get 5 of them for $1. Just make sure that they are this Scrub Buddies one, and you're going to be good to go. Okay, so the next things that I like to get from the Dollar Tree that are good for refinishing furniture are their wire brushes. So these wire bristle brushes, these are amazing. They work really well, especially if you're stripping furniture and you have a very detailed piece and you have to get into those nooks and crannies. These are excellent to get there. So this technically they're 2 wire brushes, and then they have like this just harder bristle brush that comes with it, but you get 3 of them for $1, and they work wonders. And then also, if you don't have if just say your Dollar Tree doesn't have these, you can definitely use their hard bristle toothbrushes there. They work just as well, and you can get into those very intricate areas on any furniture to remove the varnish or anything that you need to get rid of. These are amazing, and they're $1. Okay, so the next thing that is super surprising are the paintbrushes. So the paintbrushes are really good to use, and they're $1. Literally, you are not going to get your bristles falling out like flies. You might get 1 or 2 or 3 bristles, but that's about it. And you can always just kind of go like this before you kind of start painting, just to make sure if there's any that are like just hanging on by the chinny chin hair or whatever they say, you'll be able to remove them like that. But these work fine. They also have the angle brushes now, so you can use those. Literally, I got a brush from Michael's. It was an Art Minds chalk brush, and I used that. Literally, the bristles were falling out like crazy, and I was like, are you kidding me? But I did give that brush a chance, and it does work better now. But it was terrible, and I was like, what in the world? But you'll be surprised, like these right here, they're good, and they're only $1. If you're like me, my brush maintenance is terrible, and I always mess up my brushes. So these are good alternatives because I just can go and grab them because they're $1. Because normally I literally I'll forget my paint on there. Sometimes I use these in staining wood, and I forget to wash them. I'm bad. I'm terrible. So in that case, I can always just go and grab these brushes and use them, and I'm good to go. Okay, so the next thing are their microfiber cloths. So I love to use these microfiber cloths. I literally use them all the time when I am waxing furniture, and when I buff my furniture out, I use these microfiber cloths. You get 2 of them for $1. They're in the automotive section in the dollar store, and they work like a charm. I use these as well to like wipe down my furniture, to dust off my furniture. Literally, I'll just go and grab them. I literally have a whole bunch of these. But these are reusable. You can wash them and, you know, use them again, but I just go and pick up some more. But these are amazing. You get 2 of them, and again, they are $1, and I love to use these. I just love to use them. So the next thing are these paint scrapers. So they are 2 different sizes. So they have the smaller one and they have the larger one. They are $1. If you go to Lowe's, if you go to Home Depot, if you go to Walmart, any of those, what? If you go to Lowe's, Home Depot, or Walmart, or anything like that, these are gonna cost way more than $1, and they're metal ones. So I love to use the metal ones. And you can get as many as you want, whatever, because they're $1. So I like to use these. You can always go to Walmart though, and you can get like the plastic ones for like 97 cents, or like the 3-pack, I think it's like $3 and something. You get a large, medium, and a small one. But you can never go wrong with metal scrapers. So I really like to use these. These are really good when you're adding Bondo to something, or when you need to scrape some paint off or anything like that. I really like to use these if you're putting holes, anything like that. These are perfect for them, and you get 2 different sizes, and they are $1 at the dollar store, and they are a must buy. All right, so the next thing are the clamps that you can get from the dollar store. So they are heavy duty clamps, but they're not like my Husky clamps that I have downstairs, which I absolutely love those. I have large ones and I have small ones. You guys have seen me use those lots of times in my videos, but these little smaller ones that the Dollar Tree has, they can get the job done. Now, I would definitely just use these if I'm, so what I do, don't know what I'm talking about right now. So what I do is, like, if you're what in the world? If you're fixing like a piece of veneer on a piece of furniture, so let's say a piece is coming off and you don't want to completely tear it off and then fill it with Bondo or something like that, you can just reattach it. So to reattach it, what I love to do is just use these clamps and clamp them on and let it dry over time and let it dry. So these are really good to holding you know, those pieces in place. So I like to use these clamps, and you get 2 of them for $1 at the dollar store. So these are a good buy as well. If you're not like, if you don't do a lot of refinishing furniture, there's no need for you to really get the really huge ones and stuff like that. So these will work just as fine, and you can get these in the automotive section at the Dollar Tree. All right, so the next thing is my favorite, and they are these little razor holders. So when you get them from the dollar store, they actually come with the razors too. I literally don't remember how many they give you, but you do get a lot for $1. And the good thing about these is if you do not, well, if the razor gets dull, you don't have to buy a whole new pack. You could just buy razors if you want, and then you can just add them to the handle. So I absolutely love this. So I use these a lot if I'm scraping off paint from like glass or a mirror or something like that that the furniture might have. And I just like to use these because instead of just using your hand with the razor, you have this little handle that you can use, and I just love to use these, and they're super cute. So you can get these at the Dollar Tree as well. Okay, so the next thing are safety goggles. Actually, no, these are not the goggles because I don't like the goggles, but they do have the goggles as well. But the safety glasses. So I love these, super cute. Just put them on and they're amazing. So my head literally is big. So with these, which is awesome and cool, is you can adjust them. So you can pull the sides and make them come out a little bit longer so that they will fit on your face, and voila, they fit on me. Absolutely love these. They're super cute. They have the side where, you know, they protect anything from coming into your eyes. I hate using goggles, so I love to use these safety glasses, and honestly, they're $1. And if you buy these at Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart, anything like that, they're gonna cost way more than $1, and you can use these at the Dollar Tree and they work perfect. Okay, so the next thing are my lovely dovely pink gloves. You guys have seen me use these in many DIYs, literally probably all of them, because I'm always staining something. I like to use these. So they're the heavy duty gloves. They are amazing. They have I think small, medium, and large. And I just love to use these gloves, and they're pink. So I love these. I use them all the time. Again, when I'm staining furniture or when I'm cleaning with stripper or deglossing or using an afterwash or anything like that, the chemicals, I love to use these gloves because they are heavy duty, amazing, and they're reusable. So you can reuse these over and over again if you want, and they just, I feel like a scientist. Hold on, let me put the glasses on too. I'm definitely gonna feel like a scientist now. Oh yeah. I love these. They are amazing. Good buys. They're $1. They're pink. They do have different colors though, and I mean, they're heavy duty, work like a charm. Goodbye. So the drop cloths, these I love to use them to cover up furniture that I've already done that is in the garage to protect them. I love to use the drop cloths, so these are a good buy. You can also use them to cover your area that you're painting so you don't get any paint drips or anything like that on your floor or in your garage. I mean, you can always get the heavy duty canvas ones as well. Those work like a charm. You get those from Walmart for a good price, but these drop cloths work just as fine. To be completely honest, if you go to Walmart, you can get like 3 of them for like 98 cents or something like that, so I do like to get those. But if you're not in Walmart or you don't like to go to Walmart like that, you can definitely just go to your Dollar Tree and you can get one of these, and it is a 9 foot by 12, and it works just as well, and I like to use these too. So these are something that I use all the time. I literally have everything drop cloth, especially if you have like a paint sprayer that's terrible and it gets like a lot of overspray, which is, I bought a paint sprayer from Amazon and it was horrible. The overspray was terrible. I tried to get one of the electric ones. It was so bad and I had to like cover everything. I returned that, but these are perfect for that. So covering up furniture that you have and you know you don't want to get anything messed up or your floors, these drop cloths work like a charm. All right, so literally I hope throughout this video you got some ooh, ah, I didn't know that, let me go grab that type moments throughout this video, because I literally like to use all 10 of these items, especially the scrub pads, the wire brushes, the safety glasses, the gloves. Literally I use all of this stuff. You guys have seen me use them in my various DIYs here on this channel. I also have a freebie for you, so if you didn't see it on my Instagram, Facebook, or on my community tab here on YouTube, I have my 5 top tools for refinishing furniture. I have a free PDF guide, so I will have that link down below. So if you didn't grab yours, make sure you click on that link and you will be sent a file for that. I know I get a lot of people that always ask me about the tools to use for starting refinishing furniture and all that stuff like that, so I made a PDF guide for you. So make sure you get yours down below. And with that, I will see you in my next video. Bye.